Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. As you guys see here, I just got an email from Walgreens. Now this is for today only, March 31st. So what you guys can do is you can get 25 4x6 photos for just a penny a piece. You guys will get 25 photos for a quarter. I love this deal. I told my husband, I'm like, hey, let's pick 25 photos of stuff I want to put in albums. I have albums that I need to finish from like 4 years ago, so I always take full advantage of this. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. So I don't know if it has to be done through the app or not, or just the computer, but just want to give you guys a heads up on this. If you guys want to see more really good photo deals in the future besides just the free 8x10s, let me know. But right here for today only, 25 pictures 4x6 for a penny each. You just use 25 spring pics. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.